So now what should we be doing? Well, what we should do is that we need to rename these functions. The reason is because these functions when I started this project, I I have given these functions general names. But now since we are using the service that gets posts from a service, then we need to rename these functions. Otherwise, you are going to get confused later if you want to check your code. So we need to rename these functions. So here function, and then make AJAX request. This actually is not just making AJAX, a random AJAX request. Instead, this is going to make a AJAX request to get posts. So I'm going to say make AJAX request, and then to get posts or posts AJAX requests posts. And then in the call here, we need to rename this to make AJAX request posts. And then I'm going to rename also the AJAX response. I'm going to say AJAX response for posts. And then here we need to say AJAX response for posts. And then insert posts into HTML. We don't have a problem with this. It's very meaningful. And here we have insert posts into HTML. We don't have a problem with this. Let me now save and make sure that it's working. Let me here say save all. And let me refresh and make sure that it's still working. As you can see, we don't have a problem. So now it's working perfectly. And it's finally, it's very important to always add comments to your code, and also, again, make sure that the names that you have given your functions are meaningful. It's very important to make sure that they are meaningful. Here I'm going to say, I'm going to add a comment to this function so that you understand what it does. Makes AJAX request and makes get AJAX get request request and sends the request. So that is it.